Alright, here's our little test. We're uploading our GPSs. See if our intercom is working. External mic working. We'll get that step through. Verifying all our updates. Try to get a second camera going. Can't seem to get this one to work. Maybe the stupid cards have to be made in a different way or something. This is lovely. Anyways, our databases are uploading. It's good, options are good, navigation's good. I'm gonna try to move you guys without disrupting the board. Right, I hope we're still recording. We are. Here's the little databases I'm trying to do. Waiting for them to all be done. Verifying airport data and terrain. We'll wait till it finishes.
TAWS system test. Done. Okay.
Right, TAWS is okay. Verify our airport directory data. So everything is done. We hit that key. Everything's good. Our GPS won't come in.
Not available.
Won't come in because we're inside the hangar.
Use caution. The following areas are not visible from the tower.
Alright, so it looks like everything, all the databases are good. The other camera's not working. I'm going to have to figure that one out. I was going to try to do 2 angles. But anyways, thanks for watching. This is just a test. You guys don't have to watch this. But anyways, I'm going to be flying Wednesday and Thursday. So I'll try to get some good footage on those days. We'll see. Stay tuned. Watching.